All right, guys, we're here today with
Nishan.
And he wants to learn how to do it.
Ollie.
Ollie. How long have you been skating for?
About 2 months, 3 months.
2 months? What size is this board?
825.
825. That's amazing. And here I am, 41 years old, been skateboarding for 31 years old, and I'm skating a 775. What's wrong here? Okay, let's see your Ollie.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Really... pretty good. But well, you tell me, what do you want to improve?
I want to lift my back foot earlier and really work on sliding my front foot.
Yes. The key thing is that lift of the front foot. So when you pop, it's like a little bit like a pop, boom, and your foot starts to go, but then it stops. So you want to keep it going and then even push it forward, which will raise your tail.
Okay.
It's not really about, like, your back foot is lifting, but you need your front foot to drag up and push forward, which is going to lift your tail.
Yeah, okay.
So think of it like that, and let's see if you can. Yeah, that was better. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have you stand on your back foot on the tail. Okay. Just stand there.
All right.
Like on your tail like that.
Oh, okay.
Boom. And now you're gonna like drag your foot up and then kick my hand. Good. Again.
All right.
Good. Now like fast like you're doing an Ollie.
All right.
And you're dragging it a little bit from your toe. When you Ollie, is it from the toe or is it from the middle?
The middle.
Do it like an Ollie.
All right.
Yeah. Good. Faster.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. If you kick me, it'll just be another day in the skate park. Okay, good. Now do that same thing, that same motion with your foot.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Good. It's better, yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna take a lot of practice. Do it again.
All right.
Yeah. So your timing, let me see my board. We gotta improve your timing a little bit.
Yeah.
So so it's kind of like the difference between like, here, watch, like that. Watch my front foot, like just focus on the front foot. I'm just gonna go up. But you see, I'm not really dragging.
Yeah.
So the purpose of any kind of practice step is you're drilling in the muscle memory of your leg.
Okay.
So, blah, blah. It's not exactly the same, but it's to give you an idea of how it will work, yeah? So now I'm gonna pop up and I'm gonna push my front foot forward and with the timing of my back foot.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
So you see how it levels out?
Yeah.
You can do the same, it's just a practice on the timing.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, so I want you to focus on your front foot, going earlier, pushing forward earlier.
Okay.
Try it again. Yeah. Yeah, still earlier.
Okay, even, all right.
You're kind of like, it's kind of going a bit late.
Okay.
Like a, you see?
Right. Yeah, I see.
Yeah. Good, that was better. That was better, that was good. Do it again.
All right.
Do it again.
Oh, that was not as good.
Here, I think it'll help you if I do it in slow-mo and I show you. Okay, do it again. Yeah. Okay, here, I'm gonna show you. Okay, so you bend down.
Yeah.
And then you're going to pop up. And then right there, you see that?
Yeah.
Right at the peak of your Ollie right there, you need to push that front foot forward. See, your back foot is up. It's even up and off the board. So if you push that front foot forward earlier, you'll have that motion higher.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, you got it. Yeah, it's better. It's like you're breaking your muscle memory from what you've been practicing.
Yeah.
Good, earlier front foot forward.
That was not okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Good, I'm gonna show you again on that one. I think that was a good example. Front foot up. Now right there, forward.
Yeah.
And also see like, look at the motion of your knee and your foot.
Yeah.
So your knee is forward, but your foot is back like that. Okay. So you're dragging your knee, but see how my foot just goes like up like that? Yeah. Now, here Chloe, film so I can show him the difference. So, you see how your knee is forward and my foot is back? Now my knee is back and my foot is forward. So you want to go from this position to that position.
Okay. No, that wasn't it.
Yeah. Okay, let's see it again. Okay, there you go. Look at that.
Thank you so much.
Okay, now do that again like 50 times. Give me 50 push-ups. It's too much, sorry, too far. Yeah, it was good, it's better. Yeah, careful on the ankle. You scare me, you could roll that. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay. Yeah, same deal. I think you see what the change, right?
Yeah, I see.
So from here forward, it's just repetition of practicing and practicing.
Yeah.
That's why skateboarding builds a lot of discipline, because it's really a lot of practice.
Yeah.
Okay, do some more.
All right.
See if there's anything else I can help you with. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so stand on your back foot again. I just want to do this drill again. I'm kind of like having you over exaggerate. So what I want you to pay attention to is this knee. Instead of the knee coming forward and your foot being back, we're going to reverse that. So your knee, okay. And now push your foot forward and stop right there. And then you see the difference in feeling of your knee there?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you want that, more of that when you ollie, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you practice this motion, then you put it into the whole thing, it should help you.
Okay.
But the timing is important. So you have to get the timing like, boom, early, push forward.
Yeah.
Try.
All right. Oh, I was just doing it again.
Yeah, you practiced it in so much, I think. Yeah. When you do the ollie, where are you looking?
I'm looking like at this, right above my front trucks, or my back trucks.
Okay. I want you to look at your front foot.
Okay.
And I want you to put all your attention on making that front foot go up and forward.
Okay.
Good. That's better, just a little earlier on the push. Yeah, that was better. Yeah. Yeah, that was good.
Thanks.
That was better. You can also like do a jump where you're like, yeah, good, like that. Now just do an ollie like that and you got it.
All right. No,
yeah. There you go. What do you think? Does that look better, you guys?
Yeah. Yeah.
Have you ever done a shove it before?
I've tried, but I...
Try. Okay, I bet I can probably teach you a shove it too. So on the shove it, okay, so all your weight's on your front foot, and then you're gonna put your back foot around the side, and then you're leaving your front foot on the board as close as you can.
Okay.
That's gonna prevent it from turning primo. And then you just do a little hop, front foot to front foot. The first thing to practice, well, really let's take this to the very beginning. The first thing to practice is just this. Just stand off and just, yeah. But do a real scoop with your toes. Good, now you wanna have your toes like over the side, like that. And then you're just gonna go, just like, boom. Not from here down, sideways. Yeah. Do it again. Yeah. Yeah, good. Now, you're gonna stand on there with your front foot, all your weight on the front foot, and we're gonna do that same scoop, back foot to the side. We're gonna step off with our back foot. Good. Now see if you can control it. You good? See if you can control it to where the board is under you.
Okay.
Good. That was good. Good, now do that like 3 more times.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm good.
You just landed it! Push try! Okay, now keep your weight centered.
Okay.
Keep your knees bent.
Yeah.
Be kind of low on it, and then when you jump, all your weight's here, but you're not so far forward. The reason you fell there is because your weight was really far forward.
Yeah.
So just little, boop, and you got it. Yeah, you got it. Now same exact thing. Bend the back knee and put your back foot on.
Okay.
Bend your back knee in the air. There it is.
I got my back.
There it is. Did that bail scare you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it freaked you, right?
Yeah.
I was trying to get you to not try and land with both feet, and you did land with both feet. And now we're trying to get you to land with both feet, and you're like, one foot is cool. Yeah, you got it. Don't be scared.
All right.
Bend your knees.
Okay.
Jump, put both feet on, be stabilized. Here, I'll show you. Wait, front foot. Boom.
Okay.
You got it. There you
I
go.
almost got it.
Yeah, keep the front foot on there. There it was. There you go.
Thank you
Good
so much.
job. First try. Okay, well done. You did great.
Thank you.
Yeah, we're here to teach the entire world how to ride a skateboard. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.